Man, it's your boy Chef J, man. Here with a cooking tutorial today. I'm cooking some oxtail. Make sure you wash them joints real good. Get all the blood off them. Then we're gonna hit it with a little lime juice. Don't get no season there, you're gonna have some bitter oxtail. You don't want none of that. Alright, we're gonna cut them on the side so that seasoning get all the way through them now. Through this cooking process. Alright, first we're gonna start with that green sauce. A little garlic. 1 habanero pepper. 1 whole diced tomato. About 2 to 3 stems of a green onion. Half a green pepper. Half a diced onion. Fresh thyme. 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. A little bit of ketchup. Alright, so now we're gonna go in with our base seasonings: black pepper, onion powder, paprika, sazon, and a little garlic powder. Alright, we're gonna give it a good mix. We're gonna let it marinate for 30 minutes. Let's get into the cooking pot. Put a little oil in your hot pan, a little brown sugar for the browning. Alright, then let it brown on each side for about a good 5 minutes. Take the oxtails out and add the rest of the stuff in the pan. This is looking like about 2 hours in. Boom, finished product.